The Bank of America all-in-one checking plan combines our most useful services into one convenient account. For just $2 a month, no minimum balance required, you get all the personalized checks you can write, a check guarantee card, a Bank America card, our time saver statement, overdraft protection, and all the traveler's checks you can use. For just $2 a month, you get them all together in the Bank of America all-in-one checking plan.
One day you're up, one day you're down.
You never know.
Thank goodness for my checking account.
Since when is a checking account an investment?
Since I got Bank of America's Investors Checking. It pays like an investment, works like a regular checking account.
It tops my Now account.
Tops my whole portfolio.
And it's insured.
New Investors Checking Service. It pays like an investment.
Bank on the leader, Bank of America.
Are you paying too much for checking?
Would you rather not pay?
Did you know that at BofA, checking is free of monthly service charges when you keep a minimum balance in your checking or savings account?
Why pay when you can get guaranteed service without monthly service charges?
So, if you want more full-service ATMs, guaranteed service, and no service charges, let Bank of America do the job for you.
Bank of America, we want the job.
Today, more than 9 million Californians depend on Bank of America to do the job for them. This year, they'll use our Versateller ATMs over 150 million times at more locations than any other bank offers and get checking service so good, it's guaranteed. We'll lend them nearly $15 billion to finance everything from their business to the place they call home. And for many loans, you can apply by phone and get an answer the next business day. Millions of Californians will use their BofA savings to make their dreams come true. And their Bank America cards to enjoy more of life's pleasures. Across the state, around the clock, BofA is doing the job for more Californians than any other bank.
Doing the job, Bank of America. Doing the job.
It's the dawn of a new day in banking, Saturday. Bank of America is now doing the job for more Californians, more days of the week. If you think extra hours are nice, discover the difference a day makes.
We promise to love and honor, but not to always tell each other when we write a check or remember to deposit one. In the interest of domestic tranquility, Bank of America offers Quick Look, a mini statement anytime from any Versateller machine. Quick Look, only with checking at Bank of America. Because we'd much rather love and honor than interrogate. Bank of America. A special...
Americans seem to like shortcuts. One reason Bank of America offers the Versatel card with every checking account. It lets you buy gas and groceries, get cash, make deposits, even get a mini statement. The Versatel card, the shortest distance between you and your money. Bank of America.
The father of the sculptor was a steel worker. The mother of the writer can't read English. The man who owns the restaurant used to wash the dishes there. And the son of a farmer now turns corn into fuel. As long as Americans believe there's nothing they can't do, we'll keep helping them do it. Banking on America. Bank of America.
What did your money do today? Is it working as hard as the offensive line? Bank of America. Put your money in motion.
Who says there are no heroes? What about the guy who treats a fender like modern art? And all the ones who never called a game on account of weather? There are people who make things perfect 1,000 times a day. And if Bank of America can help with the money, keep things safe, and save them some time, then they can go on doing the really important things. Banking on America. Bank of America.
I told my father I wanted to grow up to be a teacher. Wouldn't you rather be a doctor? He said. It's a noble profession and you could become wealthy. That may be true, I said. But without teachers, where would doctors come from? What will I be like a year from now? How much will I grow? How strong will I be? In 5 years? In 10 years? Where does my future start? You'd be surprised.
This is a matchup we've been waiting for, the cagey veteran versus the fast-rising newcomer.
I hear the way this rookie uses bill pay from Bank of America is really something.
Look at the way the veteran stuffs that envelope, John.
That is really old school.
Well, the rookie's in total control out there. He's deciding what bills he wants to pay and when.
Uh-oh. The money he's put aside to pay his bills is in one of his other accounts.
Hold on. He's transferring money from his savings into his checking account right from his desktop. What a strategy!
We've got ourselves a new champion!
My darling Jeffrey, I miss you so much. I can't stand the thought of another lonely night. When will I see your beautiful brown eyes again? I love you with every fiber of my being. Your dearest love, Annabelle.
$80% less paperwork, only from Bank of America.
At Bank of America, we really wanted to participate in the Olympic Winter Games. But in the end, we decided to support the real athletes and stick to the things we do best. Like making it easier to pay your bills with America's most popular online bank.
If your Bank of America credit or check card is ever stolen and used fraudulently, you won't be liable for a cent, and will replace your loss by the end of the next business day. Guaranteed. Introducing Total Security Protection, our way of looking out for you so you can feel safer using your cards. It's free, automatic, and only from Bank of America.
The mortgage application with 80% less paperwork from Bank of America. Short enough to do anytime.
Dad?
Yeah.
I'm thirsty.
Bank of America. Higher standards.
What if all those abandoned coins banded together? Think how they would add up. With Keep the Change, every purchase you make with your Bank of America Visa check card is rounded up to the next dollar. And all that glorious change is transferred from your checking to your savings. So if you wish you could save more money, now's your opportunity. Bank of America.
These days, wouldn't it be great if saving money happened as automatically as everything else? At Bank of America, it practically does. Use the Bank AmeriCard Power Rewards Visa credit card and earn rewards like cash back with every purchase. Cash you can put into savings or even use to help pay down your credit card balance. It's one of the many ways we make saving money in tough times a whole lot easier. These days, when you have to spend, shopping online can help save. Doing it with Bank of America can help save a lot more. Up to 20% cash back from over 300 online retailers with our Added Up program.
Just sign up and use your Bank of America debit or credit card when you shop online. It's one of the many ways we make saving money in tough times a whole lot easier.
I can't always get to the bank, but I can still bank.
I have the Bank of America mobile banking app.
I can take care of things on my break.
I can check my balance
while I'm on a bus.
I'm waiting at the barbershop.
The studio.
Oh, my paycheck's already in.
I just transfer money.
I went online and set up alerts to let me know if
my balance drops below $200.
You can pay your bills online.
You enter the amount, then make payment.
Boom, done.
Wish I was.
Bank whenever, wherever, however you want with mobile and online banking from Bank of America.
So 7th-inning stretch. Game tied at 6. Back after this.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I have a question about my account. I also have some checks to deposit.
No problem. I can help you with both of those.
Really?
What's your question?
Can I transfer?
At Bank of America, our managers are there for you,
Well done.
offering solutions
Thank you.
to make your banking easier.
We're back here in the bottom of the 7th, and the first pitch.
Bank of America, higher standards.
Homeowners, if you're ready to refinance, Bank of America can help you find the loan that's right for you. Call us today to take advantage of our low fixed rates. You could lower your mortgage payment and save money every month. Plus, get the stability of a predictable payment you know won't change. It's part of our commitment to successful home ownership. Bank of America Home Loans. Refinance with a low fixed rate. Visit us online or call 1-800-641-7712.
This is Melissa. She's going to show how easy it is to keep track of her bank accounts. Yeah, pretty easy. Set up alerts to know what's going on with your accounts with Bank of America.
Ours don't. Payment reminders help you stay on top of bills. Get started at Bank of America.
Credit card rewards are always good in theory.
Sometimes I would get rewards, sometimes I wouldn't.
This one card I had, there were all these rules and restrictions.
Oh, and limits.
Forget about it.
But I love this card.
Bank AmeriCard Cash Rewards Credit Card.
1% cash back on everything I buy, period.
No limit to the amount of cash back I can get.
No hoops to jump through.
Simple.
The refreshingly simple Bank AmeriCard Cash Rewards Credit Card. Apply online or at a Bank of America near you.
I love this card. With the Bank AmeriCard Cash Rewards Credit Card,
we earn more cash back for the things we buy most.
That's 1% cash back everywhere, every time. 2% on groceries.
3% on gas, automatic. No hoops to jump through.
That's 1% cash back on Oscar.
Tony.
Oscar.
2% back on whatever she'll eat. 3% back on filling up this baby.
Now get 1, 2, 3% cash back.
It's that simple.
Apply online or at a Bank of America near you.
We're talking 3% back on gas.
I played soccer in college, and we had an amazing season, and then just it all changed. I woke up one morning and had this terrible, terrible headache. I fell into a coma and woke up 5 days later, paralyzed from the waist down. I was lucky to receive incredible care that helped me recover. When I run, I think of people that are impacted by paralysis. being able to help them feels like my responsibility. My marathon is for the Christopher and Dana Ree Foundation and improving the quality of life for those who are impacted by paralysis, just like I was.
What would you like the power to do? Bank of America.
There's nothing that can prepare you for this life. I was 4 months pregnant when my husband lost both of his legs in combat. There's no guidebook on how to heal. Eventually our daughter and my husband were finally taking their first steps together, and it was like life had begun again. When I run, I think about the lifetime of care adaptive athletes need to chase their dreams. My marathon is for Achilles International because our family and this charity is what resilience looks like.
What would you like the power to do? Bank of America.
For Cece. For Landon. For Cece. For Landon. My daughter Cece passed away in my arms just 89 minutes after she was born. And my son, Landon, we never got the chance to meet. How can there be a purpose to losing a child? When I run, I think about how fragile a life is, and all the parents like me who just want to see their kids grow up. My marathon is for Boston Children's Hospital, so that every child has a chance, including my own. Because Evelyn is our baby, we finally got to take home.
Bank of America supports everyone who asks what's possible. What would you like the power to do?
Has golf influenced what you want to be when you grow up? I definitely want to play a sport, so maybe golf. My name's Alyssa, I'm 10 years old, and I've been golfing for 2 years. What do you think it takes to become a great golfer? I think it takes patience and practice and just fun. Golf always doesn't have to be competition. That was pretty close. What advice would you give your older self? I would tell my older self, trying not to get frustrated after missing a hit. And the advice I think she'd give to me, to enjoy my childhood, maybe. This was one of the first times I played golf. I look a lot younger. Will you autograph this picture for us? Yes, 100%. What would you like the power to do?
I wholeheartedly believe that golf is the greatest sport because everything about it teaches us skills that we take forward in our life. I never thought I would ever walk the fairways of Augusta National, let alone watch a player that I coached win it. This path that Rose wanted to leave with me as a thank you has given me the power to believe anything's possible. This scorecard from when Mariah shot 9 under for 9 holes, something I'd never seen again. It really kicked off a journey that we've been on ever since of having great All-Americans come through our program. This head cover is incredibly special. My former coach unfortunately passed away in 2024. Together, we launched the Play For Her campaign for breast cancer research. She would always say, how you do anything is how you do everything. I feel like every day being in the trenches with my players, you realize that it was so much more than golf. It was really about life. What would you like the power to do?
When did you decide that you wanted to be a pro golfer?
Last year.
Will you try one where you say hi to us?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Hi. How did you get into the game? And what inspired you?
My big brother inspired me because he never stopped even when things get tough.
So I basically grew up on a golf course.
The favorite thing about golfing is I forgot it.
What do you think it takes to become a great golfer? Try your best always. Try to make connections with it.
Focus aim and play good.
There's always another hole, except when you're on the last one.
What would you like the power to do? Fly so I can look for my ball.
I want to be a pro golfer when I grow up. Proceed, persevere. It's a work in progress. Just keep going. Say that was a good shot. I can do better, though. What would you like the power to do?
Being at the patch has given me the power to have a social impact in the area. This was the first golf course that opened it up for blacks to play. And when I think about the guys that paved the way for me, like a Jim Dent, I'm really proud of that. This is a picture here of, I didn't want to do this. Jim Dent, he was an awesome man, great for the game of golf. His legacy will continue on. That black cap is one of the first caps I bought when I first started working. It was just something that meant a lot to me to keep that, and I've had that till now. This was the last flag that I helped design on the old course. We knew it was our last year, so we wanted to make something that had both the patch and Augusta Municipal Golf Course from the past to the future. The legacy I want is that it stays a place that everybody can come and play and enjoy this great game of golf. What would you like the power to do?
If you've ever done something big, you haven't done it alone. There was always someone there who lived it with you, breathed it, maybe they were seen, maybe they stayed in the background, but they made sure you were supported. Because everything feels more possible when someone has your back. Bank of America champions everyone who dares to ask, what would you like the power to do?
What would you like the power to do?
Left post.
Ask it when you train. When you play, ask it to the team. You lost your sight, but you gained the power to share this beautiful game with others. Bank of America champions everyone who dares to ask, what would you like the power to do?
It's white knuckle time. The questions have been asked repeatedly. Can you do it?
Piece of cake.
Bank of America invites kids 6 to 18 to golf with us.
Is this enough? It is!
With free one-year memberships and discounted tee times.
The shot of a lifetime!
As we champion the next generation who dares to ask, what would you like the power to do?
His masterpiece!
What's the difficulty playing off a pine straw?
Would he be able to shape a shot from there and get it anywhere close to the green?
I doubt it, to be honest.
We're still in this.
Bank of America invites kids 6 to 18 to golf with us. With free one-year memberships and discounted tee times.
Did it hook? Oh, what a shot!
As we champion the next generation who dares to ask, what would you like the power to do?
Absolutely incredible. Oh my goodness.
What would you like the power to do?
It's the first matches for the US women in their history.
No one is going to ask it for you.
Michelle Akers leads the way!
Ask it when no one has done it before. Ask it for the women who come next.
Bank of America champions everyone who dares to ask.
What would you like the power to do?
What would you like the power to do? Ask it, even when it hurts. When your toughest struggles are off the field. Get help. Keep getting up. Keep asking. There's more fight in you, so play on. Bank of America champions everyone who dares to ask, what would you like the power to do?
With the Bank of America mobile app, easily manage your finances 24/7.
Got questions? Ask Erica, your virtual financial assistant. Send money fast with Zelle and pay bills with just a few taps. Deposit checks anytime. Keep your goals on track and check your account security level. Plus, easily view and redeem your rewards and see your banking and Merrill accounts all in one place. Download the app today. What would you like the power to do? Bank of America.
What would you like the power to do?
All right, team, here we go.
I ask myself that question every season.
Keep that right foot down. Everything's loaded.
To help these athletes keep their eye on the ball, far beyond any course they play. Bank of America champions everyone who dares to ask.
Proud of you.
What would you like the power to do?
What would you like the power to do? It's a question I ask myself every morning. Not on the way to the course everyone knows, but another one.
How you guys doing today?
A course that connects, teaches more than just a golf swing, and builds community while building futures. Bank of America champions everyone who dares to ask, what would you like the power to do?
Birdie opportunity from about 18 feet. This is for sole possession of the lead.
You got this, Cora.
Bank of America invites kids 6 to 18 to golf with us with free one-year memberships and discounted tee times.
Maybe. Yes, sir!
As we champion the next generation who dares to ask, what would you like the power to do?
Isn't this great to see?